Hello, Lunar Legends. Welcome to the moon. Do you want to learn how to make a watch time command? Well, I will show you how. Um, Before I get into making this command, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content and suggest whatever you want to see, whatever you want to learn or anything. But let's get into it. So we're just gonna name this watch time. Watch time. That's the name for the trigger command. We can just do it one word, watch time. Then we can go up here to action, chat message, add the chat message, and we can at $user name. That is the special identifier for username, somebody that you're adding or somebody that triggers this command. Actually, let's say that you'll be their username, watch time is, and you can do the $sign as a special identifier user time, which does how long that someone's been watching your stream. But before I say this, and you see the watch time pop up on the screen, um, according to the bot, when you downloaded the bot, Mix It Up bot, it shows according to how long the bot has been installed, the watch time. So it has the watch time, but it don't necessarily have the watch time as if you're using Streamlabs or something like that. It uh, or Kickbot or something like that, but this still is a great way to add watch time if you want to strictly use Mix It Up bot, if you're one of those all-in-one bot type of people. You can also reset your watch time or if you those type of people, but either way, that's what you do. Add username, so at the person watch time is, and they'll show the number. I can put this as streamer. I don't think it really matters. So we're gonna save the command. I can go back to, was it watch time? Yes, I got a lot of commands. See right here, watch time. We're going to test the command. Oh, my bad, y'all. Just let me know that it's welcoming me. As you see in the corner here, how it has Pearl Out Loud. I dual stream, so you see it on Twitch and Kick. Pearl Out Loud watch time is 23 hours and 19 minutes. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials, again, you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for getting me to 43 followers. I appreciate the love and support, you guys. Stay blessed.